Could I get more of Renzo's lead in my mix? Okay, we're not going to do that song.
We're ready to go.
So the next song, we dedicated one to Felicia. As many of you who know me know, I've always been a huge David Bowie fan, and he went off to the Renaissance man heaven in the sky this past year. So we're going to do one of his songs and probably ruin it.
Give us some leeway. Give us some leeway. Small D Genie snuck off to the city, strung out on lasers and slash back blazers, ate all your razors while pulling the waiters, or talking about Monroe and walking with Snow White. New York's a go-go and everything feels right. Paul to the Greenie. Ooh. Genie, he lays on his back. The Genie loves chimney stacks. He's outrageous, he screams and he falls. Oh, Genie, let yourself go. Sits like a man, but he smiles like a reptile. She loves him, but just for a short while. Scratching the sand, won't let go of his hand. He says he's a beautician and he'll give you nutrition. Take all your old hair for making new underwear. Paul to the Greenie. Woohoo! Genie, he lays on his back. The Genie, he loves chimney stacks. He's outrageous, he screams and he falls. Oh, Genie, let yourself go. So simple-minded, he can't drive his module. He bites on the neon, he sleeps in a capsule. Loves to be loved. Loves to be loved. Genie, he lays on his back. The Genie, he loves chimney stacks. He's outrageous, he screams and he falls. Oh, Genie, let yourself go. Yeah. The Genie, he lays on his back. The Genie, he loves chimney stacks. He's outrageous, he screams and he falls. Oh, Genie, let yourself go. Yeah. Genie, let yourself go.
An extra verse on that song.